What I love about this property is the peacefulness, is the quietness, is getting away from the rush of the world and falling into the Montana peacefulness. This house showcases Mother Nature at its finest. You never tire of looking out at the Montana sky here. It's a place you don't want to leave. It's a place that includes you. It includes you in the stillness, in the freedom that we all love. This property is hard to put into words. It's something that you just feel when you're here. It is something rare, and you're a part of it, inside these walls and outside. This home is not something to be passed on. This home is something that is inherited. The main residence offers a primary suite sanctuary space, the soaking tub with miles of views, the serenity of the hand-stacked fireplace. Let's talk about the guest house. It is over 2,000 square feet of thoughtful living area. Upstairs, you feel like you're looking at a wall of glass. And in this wall of glass, you see the perfectness of the Bitterroot Valley. The Bitterroot Mountains view is front and center, and it's hard to miss. It's an even harder place to leave. This property is so unique, with an extra guest dwelling above the garage that offers your visitors a place of sanctuary, an artist studio, a true retreat. Let's talk about the 5-car garage for all our toys that we have in Montana. You have a living space for all those toys. As you're driving up the driveway, I feel that you will take a sigh of relief that you're coming home, and you're coming home to something special and unique and private. And this home has a subdued note of grandeur about it. It's silently overstated in not only its craftsmanship and architectural marvelry, but the views that go for days that you would never tire of. I feel lucky when I'm in this home. Montana, the treasure state, where treasure here isn't just the gold that's pulled from the earth. It's the land, it's the big sky, it's the silence that envelopes you. It is the freedom to walk out your door and walk for miles beneath the endless Montana sky. Here is a place where you feel like you're getting away from it all. You are taking a sigh of relief that the silence and the serenity of this property gives you. But yet you're still just a few miles from town, from modern conveniences of a store. And it's privacy without isolation. It is what some of us will spend years trying to find. The peacefulness, the serenity, the quietness, getting away from it all. Oftentimes when I'm sitting here, I think of the name Homestretch. I think this place feels like a home run, or better yet, I'm maybe named on top of the world. But this home is a crown jewel.